man. So it's LNL, we back, you can't tell, man. Today, you feel me? We had a crazy ass fucking car meet, low-key. Let's go see what's up in there. This guy's trying to move, so let's watch the fuck out.
Whoa! Shout on the building, shout on the building. Shout on the building, shout on.
Cuzzo made it.
So where's the meet at, bro?
Bro, in that corner. You didn't see all those people, bro?
I ain't gonna lie, yo. I'm feeling the treacherous energy today.
Chado, get in.
Chado.
This dude to the right?
No, we're to behind me. To the left.
Stay taste chili, bitch. I'm true to my religion. The double take.
I think there's a different spot that we're cruising to after this. But yeah, man, this is what, like the little shop, right?
Bro.
What I brag about it?
See, there you go.
Insane. What's the off-road one? Now you can off-road this joint.
Yeah, I know. Tires, all you can't see.
That shit wow. Yes, sir. Where is he?
Yeah, ran low on oil. Like this dude right here to the right behind me. He look like he the owner of the shop, huh?
Nah, he don't. Oh, look at that Beamer. Look at that Beamer engine, man. What?
No oil, motors out.
Dead ass?
Yeah.
How'd you know?
Just asked him right now.
Oh, you just asked him?
Yeah. Guess how much he's charging? New motor. 10 bow wows.
10 bow wows?
To install a new motor.
And the X550, that's that V8, man.
Yeah.
Damn, had to drop.
And then like few other tweaks he's gonna do to it, but they said ain't no oil.
Yeah, bro, I ain't gonna lie at that point, bro.
That's when your BMW is not reliable.
I ain't gonna lie at that point, bro.
Low on oil, it's horrible.
I'm throwing it away, bro. I'm letting insurance claim that shit.
I already paying 10,000 down on the M3.
But like, bro, if you have no oil, bro, there's a reason why.
Yeah, I know.
There's a reason why you have no oil. Look, did he have Chado?
Cause Chado a joint. Chado know where to go.
Hey, Chado, you know where to go, bro?
It's my kid. Hey, Chado, you wanna
Dark out here.
send the McLaren?
Dark as shit out here, but
It's dark, huh? Hey, low key, we'll just keep a 24-hour, light behind the camera.
24-hour light.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
Chado. Yeah, it looks way better now.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. We need to get a bro.
Might as well.
I mean, bro, I'm not gonna lie. If we started, we gotta leave.
Yeah, you gotta
I
run.
have my plates on, bro. I can't start it.
No, we're not doing that. You know why? I was literally telling my brother about how like we can low key run away from the cops, and he was like, "Bro, don't do it." And then if we do it today, we're getting fried.
No,
we're all
we
getting
gonna
fried.
get so
And we
far.
had that big ass LNL banner.
No,
Just call Ben and
It
tell
don't even
him.
matter, bro.
I would. Like, crazy thing is, I would do it if none of y'all were in the car and I had no license plates. Yeah, I probably would do it. But in Mexico, I would do it. Not here, you know.
Huh?
Mexico.
Yeah, because sometimes we be in Mexico and we do it.
Yeah. No, I mean, like this means Mexico is pretty far. This shit isn't Mexico. Chado's fucking tweaking. Holy shit. Chado be flicking on people, bro.
Street glissies.
Oh my god, it's street.
They're free?
No,
you don't know the
street
TikTok?
glizzy.
TikTok guys?
Look, you keep trying to take it.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, he be trying to take off the leash, nigga.
Don't do that to me, Dill.
I ain't gonna lie, I am not trying to run after Chado.
Don't say free glicks and there's no free glicks, Dill. I don't like that.
Sasha would have been pissed.
Yeah, Sasha would have probably killed someone.
Who is that?
She would have tried to say,
Calm down, Chado.
Oh, look at the DRLs in that joint.
So, okay, 180 grand, I'm not buying. Man, the RGB DRLs are kind of hard. They change the colors and shit.
You smell food, Chado?
Was that 340?
Oh, shit. It's all work for Chado, get in.
Chado.
What's his name?
Chado.
Charlo. He's so cute.
What the fuck you doing?
He's trying to run away.
You trying to see
He
the
wants to go
cars,
see the
bro?
cars. He's like, yeah, no, I'm more interested in the cars. That's okay.
20 cars in there right now. Chado's fucking bugging. Chado's getting
Bro, it's like-
license right now.
He's the number one. He's the show, bro. He's the show. It's not even about the car. It's just about Chado.
That boy Low Swan. He want that C63.
They come in the mat too.
Oh, this is right? This shit. Hey, shit clean, bro. Shit clean, bro. Shit, he got that red gusto. Shit. Oh, that's the one with the full digital display too. Hell yeah. Damn. Hey, how much you get this one for?
70 racks.
70?
Yeah, I got it with 18K on the dash. One owner, super old dude.
No accident.
I had to get it out, bro.
I had like 500 in mine. Yeah, this shit's hard. I ain't gonna lie with that. Fuck yeah. Oh, we got that picture plane too.
Hey, give me a few more months, bro.
Wait, what year is it?
21.
21?
Yeah, bro, those rims. Those are OEM rims. That's an added package. Those rims are like an extra 2 racks.
Are you serious?
Yeah, because like this bolt, I don't know the spoon and shit.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I've never seen this smoke. Congratulations.
Appreciate you. I just got it like 3 weeks, like a month ago probably.
Real?
Mama helped me out with the cosign and all that.
Hell yeah.
Same shit, boy.
I'm gonna need that close on.
No, man, I know. They tried taxing me with like a 10% APR. As soon as my mom jumped in the picture, 7. Appreciate you.
7%? Oh, that's how much you put down? You put any down? No, you straight, gang. You straight.
I put 15 down.
15?
Yeah.
What's the payment like? Like a band?
Yeah, like a band. Insurance like 4.
Not too bad.
It's cool, bro. Like, it's just Loki's best with Beverly Hills. Like, you need to get a C-suite.
But you have to go.
It's
on a 4-door
because the 4-door looks like it looks like a Super Honey.
Yeah, like a C3.
It's that base car, right?
Yeah.
It looks like a C3. That's why I asked you. I was like, what is this? I didn't think it was C3. They're way wider.
They're wide body as fuck. Look at that.
Damn. Hey, you need some purple. You got purple in your shit?
I'm just stuck as fuck right now. I'm gonna get shit done though. Because I have another Mercedes, I have an E350. I'm gonna sell that one for like 10 racks. And then they'll build 10 racks onto this one. I'm trying to get a carbon fiber hood. I'm trying to get it wrapped like a candy red, like a wine red. Drop it on some springs, get some ABS chrome rims. I'm trying to get this shit like wet, like.
This shit's smooth, bro.
I want to push like 700 wheels.
But only have like 63. He's on a hybrid turbo,
All that.
all that shit. He was tuned by ACG and PQ.
You was on smoke?
No, we saw it.
He's tuned by PQ and ACG. His shit's ass, dog. It burbles crazy, bro.
Oh yeah.
It burbles fucking crazy.
Here, brother, I got you. Try this shit out.
Hey, how much was that one?
We gotta get
like
one,
$80
bro.
On Amazon? Or what? Is it better?
Yeah. It looks better on the camera, for sure. Hey, you do YouTube too, bro?
Nah, look, you just picked up the vlog camera. I just want to buy one. I need to look sick, you know?
Oh shit.
Nah, but this is better on the camera.
Are you serious?
That address is like 15 minutes away.
Alright, fuck it. Alright.
Hey, wait, low key asking for an Addy.
What already here, but this hard AC one is in my way. Can't do it that way. So now I'm trying to do it from the bottom. But now I still need to drop the AC compressor to get to the alternator at the top.
Honestly, I would. Actually, for that.
Oh, is that 12?
You need it. Huh?
I thought I heard 12.
Oh yeah, we do need the Addy for Chris and them. huh?
Yeah, huh? You wanna go ask Callie? Go ask him.
Yeah, you wanna go ask him, Los?
to the new spot?
16180 Mulholland Drive.
16180?
Yeah, and then it'll be the first one, Mulholland Drive. It's on the story.
Send them, can you send them to Addy?
It's on the story.
No, I'm trying to Chris now.
Turn the master.
Hellcat's hard.
It really is. I used to think like, oh, like they're getting like.
He said go.
Easy, what that mean? Can you elaborate?
I didn't see it. God damn! Oh my God! Turn me up! Oh my God! Fucking rich white niggas. Fucking bitches! Holy shit!
I look you recording on the phone too.
Right.
Turn up right here.
Okay, is that me? Hey, like playing it.
That's just fire, bro.
I know, dude. That's all.
Park right here, nigga. Fuck this.
Where?
Park right here, nigga.
Do whatever the fuck you want, nigga. Do whatever the fuck you want.
Hey, LEX. Give him the lineup right now, bro. Tell him what we're like.
Bro, I don't even know what the fuck is going on, bro. We got a Pro Charge fucking Mustang. We got a fucking crazy ass Hellcat right here. Got like 3 Hellcats right here. I'm not gonna lie, bro. This weed's fucking insane, bro. Like, look at the black.
Oh, look at the carbon fiber tunnel, bro.
This shit's crazy, bro.
Oh, now look at the view. We're on top of the hill right now. Hey, show me the Beamer truck though. SUV, bro.
Shit, come beep it, nigga. Come beep it. Bro. I mean, I I mean, like,
Crazy, bro.
I mean, like, damn.
Crazy right now, gang. I ain't gonna hold you. Lineup is crazy. Hey, is that John?
I don't know who the fuck.
I thought that was homie John for a second. I was like, I didn't know John had the motherfucking Beamer.
That McLaren though.
Hey, we seen him.
And then we got Taro.
We were like, where the fuck is Alex? And you just. If you would have hit that nigga, that was the nigga.
Oh wait, no, it's not.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I seen that shit in my corner, nigga.
Alex, you understand? That nigga was a dick.
Blast that J-Bo, blast that J-Bo.
Yo, take the keys.
What the fuck?
Yo, take the keys.
Bro has no traction. Yo, so this is actually the first ever meet spot in the LNL ever, bro. Like, this is the first ever meet.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Bro almost hit me, bro.
Bro, it's like.
How close was he?
Bro.
Here, bro. His car
went like this, look. It was like facing.
That is not good.
I was gonna warp his brakes. Bro, look at, show him the buildings over here. C63 right here.
Bro.
That's insane. Hey, Lex, are you? Lex is in the loss for words right now.
We good though, right?
It was close, but it was fun.
663. These meters starting to get.
I'm not happy we left early.
Oh no, that's him down there. There. Oh no, never mind.
No, that's him right
there.
there.
Oh yeah.
No, that's him.
That's him.
Like, thank God we left early, bro.
No,
Thank God we took that. Thank God we took that red fucking light.
Yes, we gotta leave early because everyone's cutting up. It's just ugly.
Yeah, everybody pulling up right now.
Fucking way was going.
Hey, what'd you think of them?
If that red G80 gets anywhere near me, make sure that.
I thought that was a red G80.
Make sure that nigga's nowhere near me, bro. Did you get that on video? No.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Good.
Yeah.
Fucking good.
Well, I literally got him like when he was like. Yeah, bro. No, I got him literally facing the side of your car, bro.
That's gonna be like the fucking clip before the thumbnail type shit, or like the right when the clip on the video. Boom!
If that like I'm telling y'all right now, if that G80 gets anywhere near the vicinity, bro, we pulling over instantly, bro.
Thought that was him right there, man.
But don't scream me like that, bro.
Damn!
What happened? You smash it?
Yo,